Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I do to put on makeup that is more of a travel-friendly, on-the-go. And if you're curious what that looks like, it's pretty much what I have on my face right now. So if you want to know how to get that quick, simple, just basically a back-to-basics makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and start off by using my AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil. So next I take my concealer, and currently I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, which is this right here. And we're going to just place that right under the eyes, and then some on top of my lid. And then taking my Sephora Kabuki brush, which is perfect for travels because it has a cap on it, and then you just kind of like pull that down. I use that to just kind of blend out all that concealer. So now I take my Sweet and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. So what I'm first going to do is take this like nudie color right here and take this brush and basically sweep that all over my eyelid. Next I'm going to take this Sephora like mini travel size brush I had around and take this matte brown color and then sweep that more on the sockets of my eyes. And just to kind of like soften up the edges right where we place the matte brown color, I'm going to go back in with this brush right here, and whatever product that like nudish matte shade we had on it, I'm going to just simply sweep that like so. And this usually helps soften up the edges, and that's what I want. Alright, so now using my fingers, I'm diving into that coppery metallic-y color, and I'm just going to place that pretty much all over my inner half of my eyelid. That is pretty much it for the eyeshadow part. Very simple, very quick, and pretty much you know the reason why this is more of a on-the-go type of look. Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyeliner. The one thing about this eyeliner that I'm like, kind of don't like is, I mean, the pigmentation is really good. It comes out like nice, rich black color, and everything's really nice. But the one thing I don't really like is the fact that, maybe it's just me, but like when it gets like too close to my waterline, it kind of feels like a minty feeling, if you will, kind of medicinal in a way, and it does kind of smell medicinal. That's just me, but I still use it. I mean, it reminds me of like, have you guys heard of like that Japanese eye drop? I believe it's called Roto, and basically it like gives your, after you put that eye drop in, it gives you like that really minty feeling, like basically like you just pour like mint eye drop in your eyes. Anyways, yeah, so if you don't like that like medicine-y feeling getting near your eyes, you might not like this, but for $1, whatever, I'll deal with it. I'm gonna now go ahead and curl my eyes. I'm using this lash curler right here, and you guys, speaking of lash curlers, I saw at the Ulta store this pineapple lash curler. It was like 20 or 30 bucks. I can't really remember the price point, but I mean, it was kind of expensive, but I really wanted to get it. I didn't get it, but I feel like I should have. I mean, it was such a cute pineapple lash curler. And tell me down below, I mean, honestly, tell me down below, does having a more, I guess, expensive lash curler makes that big of a difference? Alright, so now that we curled our lashes, I'm going to go in with my Tarte lashes, light camera lashes, mascara, and I've been using this for a hot minute, so I do like it a lot. It does do its job. So for this look, I was going to put on some lashes, but then I'm like, if I'm being like real with you guys, for my everyday look, I don't really put on lashes every single day. I just put them on usually if I'm going out to like a special event or like a special dinner, or like, you know, if I need to look glammed up, or pretty much like I'm done up, if you will. So this is just a real, authentic, everyday look I'm doing right now, so no lashes. Now I go in with my bronzer, and this is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I feel like everyone who is pretty much in the realm of makeup world knows about this bronzer. It does come with like a makeup brush in the like palette or whatever, so that's exactly what I use to bronze up my face. And then for my blush, I take the Milani in Romantic Rose, which looks like that, and I take my brush. This is like the other set with the Sephora traveling kit, so I take one side, sweep that on, and I pretty much just place that on my cheeks. And I go back in with that same side I dipped on, and you'll see why I'm doing this. Because remember, this is like my go-to / traveling. And then on the other side of my brush, I take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette, which I still have to do a review on, you guys. I am so sorry. But we take that and we just pretty much highlight the high points of our cheeks like so. Then we put on some moisturizing lip formula. This is the She Makeup Lip Formula, also by the AOA website. It's a nice vitamin E lip oil, and it just gives a nice sheen and gloss to your lips. Which, by the way, I read an article talking about how glossy lips are going to be like the in thing, the, the in style for makeup. So, seems like I'm already on trend. Then I set it off with my Essence Prime in Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray with coconut water. This I've been using, and I got it relatively recently. So far I do like it a lot, and I love how like tiny it is, a perfect travel size kit. The one thing I will say about this is when you spray it, it's not like a super fine like mist, if you will. You can kind of feel the spray hitting your face, if that makes sense. So if you're okay with that, which I'm okay with it, but I don't mind it. But I have used other products where the spray was like a nice fine mist. It felt so luxurious, if you will. So anyways, that's the last step. And here is the finished look for my face. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys out and finish out the video. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this content. Basically, it's like my go-to / travel / weekend trip type of makeup look. It's just pretty much a makeup look I do when I'm like, gotta go, on the go type of deal. You know what I mean? Anyways, yeah. Alright, you guys, if you do enjoy contents like this and videos like this, please go ahead and click that like button down below. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Join the Kwak fam. You can also follow me and stay connected by pretty much looking me up on the Instagram, on the Snapchat, on Twitter. I do post tons of contents up there, so go ahead and follow me there. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful holidays. Warm wishes to you guys, and alright, you guys, I'll see you guys in a couple more days after I celebrate Christmas with my family and friends. Bye!